Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a clean source file and a tool that separates stems. Import a WAV or FLAC into your editor, then immediately duplicate the track so you never overwrite the original. Once done, run a quick stem separation or isolate vocal VS instrumental using Splitter or an AI model. Make sure to set separation to 2/4 stems depending on the tool. This gives you separate vocal and instrumental channels to work with in the next step. Now focus on removing the background music while keeping the vocal intact. First align stems precisely so there's no timing offset, then listen for overlapping frequency ranges, typically 100 Hz to 8K Hz, and apply subtractive EQ on the instrumental stem to reduce those bands slightly. If residual music remains, try phase inversion between the instrumental and full mix, or use a dedicated vocal remover algorithm. Adjust gain and smoothing parameters gradually. Finish by cleaning artifacts and balancing the vocal. Use spectral repair tools to surgically remove leftover music remnants, then apply gentle compression and a de-esser to restore clarity and presence. Once satisfied, normalize and export as a lossless file, and save all project stems and settings for repeat work. If you hear weird phasing or alien tones, undo the last EQ or phase step and reduce its intensity. Rerun separation with different settings as a troubleshooting measure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.